Hi, I'm Jennifer Okhovat. I'm a real estate agent in Los Angeles, California, and I'm born and raised in Beverly Hills. I've worked with all sorts of clients, from first-time home sellers to large-scale developers everywhere in Los Angeles. When I'm selling a property, I want everybody who walks through the door to remember it. So whether that's because of specific branding or staging that I've incorporated into it, I want your home to be unforgettable. My clients enjoy working with me because I'm accessible 7 days a week. When you work with me, you don't get an intern or an assistant. My clients get my full and undivided attention. Selling real estate has always come naturally to me. I've sold everything from mobile homes to mansions. If you're thinking about selling a property in the greater Los Angeles area, reach out to me today. My name is Jennifer Okhovat.